Every time I'm in Italy, I spot the same thing. Tourists giving themselves away before they even say a word. And that used to be me, until I learned what Italian women actually wear. In this video, I'll show you how I blend in effortlessly now, outfit by outfit, so you can do the same on your trip too. And stay with me, because the last styling trick is the one Italian women quietly rely on, and almost no tourist ever notices. Let me start with the one thing that instantly separates tourists from Italian women: color choices. Italian women, even on their most casual days, gravitate toward quiet tones like creamy beige, soft charcoal, olive, tan, ivory, warm browns, and of course, black. And this doesn't mean you need an entirely new wardrobe. It simply means choosing pieces in tones that feel grounded and classic. For example, a cream knit you can pair with anything, a soft camel or black trench that looks refined in every photo you take. Neutrals also simplify your packing so much because everything mixes and matches effortlessly, giving you that, I didn't overthink it, but it looks chic vibe. And honestly, Italy makes neutral dressing feel even more beautiful. Those soft tones come alive in the light. If you want to blend in without losing your personality, muted colors are truly the easiest starting point. Now, moving into the next essential piece of Italian style, your tops. This is where I see American tourists unintentionally giving themselves away with oversized t-shirts, loud graphic prints, or tops that are too loose or too tight in the wrong places. Italians love simplicity and structure, even on their casual days, so the goal here is to look thoughtfully dressed. A lightweight sweater, a crisp button-down, or a sleek mock neck instantly elevates your look while still feeling comfortable for long days of sightseeing. These silhouettes skim the body just enough to create definition without feeling restrictive, which is perfect if you prefer a little coverage or want something that works from morning cappuccino to evening wine. Another thing I love about simple, well-fitting tops is how versatile they are with accessories. A gold necklace, a scarf, or even a structured jacket instantly transforms the look without adding bulk or clutter. So when in doubt, choose tops that feel sleek, neutral, and polished, because these are the pieces that make you look like you belong there. And the best part? These tops pair beautifully with both pants and skirts, which leads us right into the next important piece of the Italian wardrobe. Next, let's talk about bottoms, because this is where many women unintentionally slip into tourist territory. The biggest items you should never wear are shorts, capris, clingy leggings, and anything too sporty. These pieces immediately stand out in Italian cities where women prefer movement, drape, and elegance in their outfits. A flowing midi skirt, a wide-legged pant, or a beautifully tailored trouser gives you that effortless Italian silhouette instantly. These pieces also work well for women over 50 because they create long, fluid lines that are flattering, comfortable, and so easy to walk in. And trust me, Italy involves a lot of walking, so structure and comfort are equally important here. What I love most about these skirts and trousers is the versatility. A pair of wide-legged linen pants with a simple tee looks relaxed, but still refined for strolling through Florence. A midi skirt with a knit top feels feminine without trying too hard. And well-fitting trousers paired with a light jacket instantly make you look like a local heading to lunch. These pieces are culturally appropriate, breathable, and elegant in every season. If you want to try out the pieces I'm mentioning, I've added product links in the description box below. Everything from chic pants to the most flattering midi skirts is there for you. Another piece that never fails in Italy is one simple classic dress, especially something like a sleek black dress that you can dress up or down. Italian women rarely wear those bold touristy prints during the day. Instead, they lean toward clean silhouettes that speak quietly but confidently. A classic dress, whether it's a black midi, a soft knit dress, or a simple tailored shift, instantly makes you look in sync with the local style and gives you endless outfit combinations without taking up much space in your suitcase. What makes this dress so versatile is how easily it transitions between activities. You can wear it with sandals during the day, Then add a trench coat and a pair of earrings for dinner, and suddenly the outfit feels elevated without any effort. You can layer it with a lightweight scarf, a puffer vest, or a cardigan depending on the weather. The beauty of a simple dress is that it never competes with the setting, it enhances it. And in Italy, where every corner looks like a postcard, you want outfits that complement the scenery rather than distract from it. A minimalist dress will always give you that refined, local adjacent look, even if you're just heading out for gelato. Now let's transition into outerwear, because what you layer on top plays a huge role in whether you look like a tourist or someone who belongs there. A very common tourist mark is wearing bulky hoodies, oversized windbreakers, or athletic outerwear that feels more like an airport outfit than an Italian street look. Italian women love structure and proportion, so pieces like lightweight puffer vests, sleek quilted jackets, soft wool coats, or classic trench coats instantly align your outfit with local style. These pieces don't just look good, they're practical. Italy's weather can shift from warm afternoons to cool evenings, and having a piece you can easily slip on keeps you comfortable and chic. What I love most about smart outerwear is how it transforms even the simplest base outfit. A cream sweater and black trousers become a full Italian-inspired look when you add a camel trench, and if you're traveling in colder months, a slim quilted jacket in a dark tone blends beautifully with Italian street style while still giving you warmth. So before you pack that bulky zip-up or sporty rain jacket, think about choosing outerwear that feels polished, intentional, and in harmony with the cities you're exploring. Quick question for you. What's the one outerwear piece you rely on the most when you travel? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop your answer in the comments below. Now let's talk about shoes, because footwear is one of the biggest tourist giveaways in Italy. You can spot it instantly. Athletic sneakers with thick neon soles, bulky running shoes, hiking sandals, or flip-flops that look more suitable for a theme park than the streets of Florence. Italian women walk a lot, but they do it in shoes that are clean, chic, and intentional. Think sleek white sneakers without giant logos, low-heeled ankle boots, classic loafers, or simple leather sandals if you're traveling in warmer months. These choices not only help you blend in, but they also complement the refined silhouettes Italians naturally gravitate toward. And trust me, comfortable shoes don't have to look frumpy. Italy actually proves the opposite. What I love is how easily stylish shoes elevate even the most basic outfit. A pair of clean sneakers instantly makes a neutral outfit feel modern and fresh, while low-heeled boots give you just enough structure to walk cobblestone streets without sacrificing style. And leather sandals with a simple dress, perfect for Rome or the Amalfi Coast. If you want to look intentional without overthinking it, focus on shoes that feel supportive but still look sleek. Your feet and your photos will thank you. Italian women prioritize comfort too. They just do it with a little more polish. And once you experience it, you'll never go back to those chunky athletic sneakers for city travel again. Stay with me, because the next tip is the one thing almost no tourist even notices, but Italian women rely on it every single day to look effortlessly refined. It's subtle, it's easy to miss, and it completely transforms the way your outfit is perceived. If you want that quiet, unmistakable Italian look, you're going to love this next part. And here it is. The next Italian styling trick that tourists walk past every day without realizing it. A subtle, intentional finishing touch. Italian women don't pile on accessories, but they never leave the house without that one detail that ties everything together. It could be their favorite sunglasses, a simple pair of gold earrings, a lightweight scarf, a structured handbag, or even just a clean hairstyle that keeps the outfit looking polished. Tourists often skip this completely, walking around with backpacks, bulky crossbody bags, or outfits that feel visually unfinished. But Italian women? They always add one small quiet element that makes the outfit cohesive and refined. What makes this so powerful is that it doesn't scream for attention, it's the opposite. It whispers. It's an elegant restraint. It's the effortless completeness. When you add that subtle finishing touch, suddenly your neutral outfit, your classic dress, your flowing trousers, they all come together in a way that looks intentional and local. And this works for women over 50 especially well, because your natural elegance shines even more when the outfit has that one thoughtful detail. So whether you're heading out for a cappuccino or exploring a historic plaza, remember, the smallest detail is often the one that makes the biggest impact. If you enjoyed this breakdown of what to wear in Italy without looking like a tourist, you'll love this next video, where I share some secrets on this beginner's guide to Italian style for women over 50. If you've ever wondered how Italians look so effortlessly refined, this video breaks it down beautifully. It's the perfect next step if you want to bring a little Italian elegance into your own routine.